Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and meeting through the link in the description. So now let's forward to the question I have today, and the question is low ROAS and inconsistent ad performance. What is going wrong on Google Ads? So yeah, I'm not sure. So let's see your question. I have a new TV mounting business in New York that started almost 6 months ago. My budget is 3K per month, 200 bucks a day, and my ROS has been on average 0.65. So it barely covers management, my employees, and other small business expenses. Cost per click is about 9 to $10, and cost per conversions we were able to get it down to $50. Landing page is solid and straightforward and rich with content with pictures and simple graphics and popping CD buttons and easy for the customer to click and understand the message. Second ad agency has been switching how come? Okay, I was surprised to see the second ad agency has been switching ad bidding strategies when the current bid strategy performance phone calls dies after a few days and then improves back when switched. Below is the full story if you like to context that. Is the first agency that I hired for the first month and a half was a disaster with a bad ad copy and other things, and had one conversion throughout that time. My second ad agency that I hired right after the first did a better job and got my first two phone calls the same day their campaign went live. Was getting a few calls per day for a vacation. After that, it was barely any calls for 2 additional weeks. Their strategy was manual CPC, and when I told them that it hasn't been working anymore, they switched to maximize clicks. Okay, conversion started happening again, but after 2 to 3 days max, and after that, just one or none per day. Another week and a half, I say, passed, and virtually no calls were happening. I told them about it and see what's going on. Then he changed the strategy to max conversions, and again, 2 to 3 calls started occurring, but just for a 2 to 3 days. Then I let it sit for a few weeks, and nothing was improving. It's a trend. So he switched back to manual CPC, and the same situation happened again. That he put target CPA. 2 weeks ago, we reached 30 conversions in 30 days, and as of today, it's been 45 conversions. The past 30 days, he switched to maximum conversions because the performance died, and again getting multiple conversions for a few days. Why is my campaign picking up the momentum for a few days and then winds down significantly? That the only way to fix it is by changing the bid strategy. Ad copy has been revised and spot on before we launch the entire thing with second agency, and landing page has been improved drastically. I know it takes weeks or months for campaign to learn, but it's normal to experience almost no conversions after a few days of getting 2 to 3 phone calls. What needs to be done? My agency is saying to invest more on ad spend, but how can I consider that if I'm not breaking even on my current 3K ad spend? Does ROS improve with more money if I was making 2 to 3 ROX? Sure, but I don't know when my performance is this way. We aren't using broad matches, only exact match and some negatives. Okay, so yeah, there are few things which I think with first of all, you are changing bidding strategies too frequently, which I don't recommend. Why you are changing your bidding strategies too frequently? No, this is not a good idea. You have to give some time to understand it, and this is not a theoretically correct that your current bidding strategy works well for 2 to 3 calls, 2 to 3 days, and then after it dies. Or no, it doesn't happen like that. But in case if you have any problem, you have to improve on your tracking. Okay, that is a part where most of the people forget, and that is understand what's working well for you. Come out of this bidding strategies and look around on what timings, location, uh, areas, landers, ad copy can work well. Okay, in a short term, I can also suggest you to improve your CPC, or better to suggest you to reduce your CPC. And how you can do it is by improving your quality score. Now I've been defining it again and again in all of my videos on relevant landing page with a relevant keyword, with a relevant ad copy is going to be winner, plus your CTR. Also have a high CTR on your ad is going to help you in improving your quality score. So yeah, these are few of the things which you can do to improve. And now the thing is, I do not recommend you to change bidding strategies. If you ask me, the bidding strategies which can work well for you are maximize clicks, maximize conversions, target impression share. So yeah, ad is being shown on the top. So yeah, these are few of the things which I can think. I think that there is more need of improvement for campaign and account structure, and account structure can be improved. Bidding strategies, I recommend bidding strategies, I recommend. Okay, these are few of the things. Campaign and account structure can be improved, and this can help you. More work can be done on keyword research. See what devices are converting well for you. Devices and other targeting things, they can help. So I think that you lack it over there, and this is how you can improve. Also another thing which I tell the people is that you also need to look around on your competitors, what they are doing, and most of the people forget it, and all the focus is on what's your offer versus what's your competitor offer, landing page, ad, keyword, everything needs to be compared with your competitor to see who is the winner. Think as a visitor and see, are you going to buy it from yourself or from your competitor, and this can actually help in letting people know on what's working well for you. So these are few of the things which I suggest people. So yeah, but in case if you need a detailed Google Ads audit setup or management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care and bye bye. And I hope you like everything. And again, I look forward for you guys to work with me. So yeah, bye bye.